Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Loaded Timilei, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys 3 fun places you can actually go to in Abeokuta, Ogun State without actually breaking the bank. Now this video was actually based on a video I did previously when I spoke about affordable places you can go to in Lagos, and some of my viewers was like, is it only Lagos you can go to, and have fun? What about some people living in other states and other cities in Nigeria? And I remember that sometimes last year I actually went to the city of Abeokuta in Ogun State, where I actually spent between 3 to 5 days, and I had an amazing time. And in these places I'm going to be letting you know in this particular video. And I had an amazing time in this place. I was not even feeling the debit alert that was entering my account, and it was all good. So if you're a new subscriber, come to the family, and if this is your first time, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Of course, join the family. I talk about faith, relationship, places, and lifestyle, and I release videos every Friday, guys. Please show your girl some support. So without wasting more time, let's dive straight into today's video. The first place I'm going to recommend is where they call Royal Mandarin. So Royal Mandarin is more like an African traditional / intercontinental restaurant where you can actually order your African and traditional dishes such as pounded yam, amala, eba, egufe, idikaiko, and whatever you want to order. And they also have some intercontinental dishes like Chinese, like Italian, like Japanese, and that you can actually order at an affordable price, guys. Yes, I remember the last time I actually went there to order this Chinese rice, and the Chinese rice was the bomb, guys. I remember when I was coming back to Lagos, I had to specifically order that particular Chinese rice and bring it to Lagos, come and show my Lagos people that you think say now only Lagos food day. Have you tried this out? Yes. So, and this Chinese rice actually was just for 2,000 naira, guys. Yes, 2,000 naira. In fact, by the time I finished eating this rice, I had to give the chef a very wonderful tip that finish work for this food. Yes, guys. So you can actually order a very affordable food, and they also have a nightclub. Of course, I didn't go to the nightclub, but they have a nightclub on the ground floor of the building where, of course, you can party till dawn, and of course, you can also order drinks and make some noise in the building. Of course, guys. So yes, you can actually have an amazing time with Royal Mandarin. If you have a birthday and hang out to get together, you can just budget 2,000 per person, and of course you get Chinese rice for 2,000. And of course they also have other dishes which I believe it's going to be very affordable, 1,500 and of course 2,000. I'm just trying to tell you that you can get an intercontinental dish for 2,000. How much will you be able to get an African dish? That should let you guys know that Royal Mandarin is affordable. Second restaurant I'm talking about is Royal Grill. So Royal Grill is some distance from Royal Mandarin. So what they do in Royal Grill is, of course, they sell finger foods, guys. Finger foods such as a shawarma, such as your pizza, such as your small chops, your asun, your barbecue fish, your anything, any finger food, guys, that you can actually think of. And this is actually affordable. I think shawarma goes for as low as 1,500. You can actually get a chicken and cheese for 2,000, 3,000. These are actually affordable restaurants, guys. People say no. So, and of course, you have an amazing time with your friends. And the beautiful thing about Royal Grill is more like in an open space. So it's not even like in an enclosed environment. It's more like in an open space. So of course you can feel the breeze of the city blowing all over your face. You can have an amazing time. Just come and chill with your friends. Of course, enjoy this life, because problem no dey finish. The third place and the final place I'm going to recommend is called Mayfair Executive. Now, so Mayfair Executive is slightly different from Royal Mandarin and Royal Grill. Mayfair Executive is more like exclusive, like a private club, mostly for members. You have to have a membership and pay around 250,000 naira before you can actually enter Mayfair Executive. However, they have some amazing features that I'm going to mention for non-members, and that is also affordable. And of course, when you get to Mayfair, for the members, if you can afford 250k for the members, they have a place where they call the Ofurufu bar, a rooftop bar where they do karaoke and midnight every Friday night. This is just purely for members. And of course, if you can afford 250k if you're a member, you can actually come to this Mayfair Executive. And the membership fee is just once you pay, I think once per month, because they also have a gym, they also have a spa, they also have a jacuzzi / swimming pool where you can actually, you know, have fun and enjoy your life. That's actually for the people that have money in Nigeria that want to pay. However, for people like me and you that we are non-members and we cannot put 250,000 naira as membership yet, what I would recommend to you is what they call the arcade game in Mayfair Executive. Now, so the arcade game is like part of, I think, the section in their floor where they have different kind of games. You can play snookers, you can play table tennis, and you can also go bowling, guys. You can also go bowling. I remember the first time I went bowling, guys, I thought the ball was, you know, very light. I carried the ball like this. Oh my god, as you can see, I don't have much power. The ball was really heavy, but we conquered, we won, guys. And I went with my cousins and I had competition with some of his friends, and it's an amazing time. So I would actually recommend, you know, if you cannot afford 250k in quotes for us, you can actually go to the arcade game, and the arcade game is like 5,000 naira. Just book 1 hour, book 2 hours, and have fun going bowling, table tennis, you know, snookers. And can also, you know, get some of their finger food side dishes while you're actually playing this game, like a drink, like juice, like water, for those of you that would know to take sugar, and of course, you know, small chops and shawarma and the likes, guys. Yes, so this is actually another place, and I don't think there's any other bowling site in Abeokuta. You can only find a very bowling site in Mayfair Executive, and you can actually play this game for just 5,000 and above. If you cannot afford 5,000, because some people can say they cannot afford 5,000, you can go with some group of your friends and you guys can contribute 1,000. That's 5,000. All of you can have fun in the arcade game for like 1 hour. Abi, I try. Start up and you want to conduct interviews. They also have an amazing conference room with a smart TV screen, like a smart projector, where you can actually go for your meetings, you know, your board members, and you know, you start up and you want to conduct interview, or you want to have your meeting outside your office, or you want to do what they call staff bonding. There's actually an hotel across Mayfair Executive, so you can just lodge your staff there, and of course come to Mayfair Executive for, like, you know, a staff retreat. You stay in the conference room, you know, you encourage your staff on how to be better in the work ahead. Then you go to the arcade floor and play games. You go to the gym and do exercises in the morning. You go for the spa, you know, you go for the Ofurufu karaoke night and movie night, and you know, you just have an amazing time. So, like they say, not only Lagos you can spoil yourself, you can actually spoil yourself in Abeokuta also. So that's going to be the end of this particular video. Like I mentioned, Royal Mandarin, Royal Green, and of course the arcade game, and of course the conference room is actually open to non-members in Mayfair Executive. Any your thoughts in the comment section. Have you been to Abeokuta before? Will you try any of these places out? Are there any other places you believe is, you know, also interesting like Mayfair Executive? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe and join the family, and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. See this.